What's up? It's Don't Accept Reality, and this is gonna be a quick story about how I went from part-time to salary to betting on myself. Let's start with part-time. I had worked a part-time job for about 3 years while I was working on my bachelor's degree. Got my degree done. Still continued to work on that, work for that part-time job. Amazing experience, lifelong friends, networked, phenomenal. There just wasn't any full-time jobs available at that position or within that organization. So I left that opportunity. It was time to just level up and get a salary position somewhere else. I got a cool salary position job at a warehouse working as an operations supervisor. And I said it was a cool job only because I thought the pay was decent. I was getting paid $75K. So I hopped at the opportunity, and honestly, it was the worst job I ever had in my life. I'm not gonna disclose the company. It was awful. I was working like 13-hour days. They dangle that salary carrot in front of your face, and they give you, oh, you're gonna get paid this amount no matter what. Yes, but at what cost? My life. I had no life, and I only worked for this company for a max maybe 2.5 months because my mental health, man. When you wake up and you sit at the edge of the bed and you contemplate, man, do I really want to go to work or not? That's where I was at. That's where I was at every single day. Sit at the edge of the bed and just be like, man, I don't feel like I want to go to work. And on top of that, it was a 30-minute drive. There's always traffic. And where I'm at, there's always accidents. So you can always expect extreme traffic getting home too. So yeah, it just wasn't worth it for me. And I just wanted to bet on myself. So when I say bet on myself, I wanted to be an entrepreneur full time. I've been investing a lot into crypto. I have stocks. And I love real estate. I've had my real estate license actually for 3 years. I just haven't had an opportunity to go full speed and do real estate full time. So I thought it was time for me to bet on myself, and that's where I'm at right now. If you want to know more about my journey, just check out this next video. I'm gonna go full blast into my first 3 months as an entrepreneur doing real estate. So definitely check that video out. It's a very interesting story. It's an interesting journey so far. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. And I truly appreciate you guys.